Everything I need off of it for this new chassis. Hook this up. No more ball center in there. And let's see what the difference in the weights are. Let me get my scale out. I'm gonna weigh the difference between my old SCX10 chassis and the VS4 10 chassis. Give y'all the difference down to the ounces. See, alright, I'll have to do a zoom in with my other camera. Alright, here's the SCX10 chassis with the deadlock skids on it. Alright, and that says 14.2 ounces. That is what this chassis weighs. Alright, set it off to the side here. This is the Vanquish chassis. No links at all, just the chassis and the plastic. We're going to put this up here and get it around here so maybe both cameras can get this and get a good even, nothing touching it. And it says 18.8, so that's about 4 ounces more, I might as well say 4.5 ounces more than the old chassis, and which that is not very much weight difference. Chassis here gonna perform awesome. It looks great. So we get this camera set back up and we're gonna start putting her back together. Let's see if we can get a servo mounted on here. It actually calls for it. So it's best for a low profile servo, which I think mine's gonna work. Oh man, touch it right there. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna put this in my vise and I'm gonna take a little bit of this off the file. Clear that problem. It's actually touching right in here. Yeah. And that touching there. When I take this here off, it will work just fine. I can do that. Let's go ahead and pause everything. And, let me get that knocked off and we'll be back. I would like to get this mounted on there before I put the actual front end on it. Be right back. I'm gonna do this off camera. Welcome back to MSRRC. I want to apologize. I have lost a lot of my footage of putting this Vanquish VS4-10 chassis with my goods off my old one. I do still have some of it, but I don't have all of it. So I'm going to give you kind of overview of what I have done to it so far. And yeah, we'll go from here. Let's get the body off of it real quick. Oh, y'all heard that, didn't you? Alright, here it is. Yes, I have 3D printed a left and a right side slider body mount. It is Velcro. It mounts into the original front and rear slider bolt holes where the metal plate bolts to it. Yeah, and got Velcro on each side where the body just locks in and it don't give. And I just added 2 pieces back here to kind of stabilize the rear of it. I am going to build a 3D piece to go on my front bumper here so you can be able to hook a tow rope to. Alright, yeah, I added my slate motor and my Mama X to it. Got my wires all nice and neat. I just got the winch controller temporarily tied off to build my servo winch to go on the front. Alright, the front bumper, I just cut the pieces that came back and actually mounted to the SCX10 chassis. I just cut them off and I drilled each side where to match the rear bolt on the chassis there, and put a spacer on each side. So it took that up, and it's all the way back as far as it'll go. And I had to kind of cut out where it'll fit here, and put 2 screws in the existing bumper holes in the front, and it's there. It's not going nowhere. The rear, it is just mounted onto the last existing hole on the chassis, and it's pretty well, it's trash, pretty well there in place. Other than that, underneath the let's go over the servo arm. The servo arm would touch, give me a screwdriver, touch right here. Right here. Servo was touching the frame right here. All I had to do is file off the back side of it. Let me get one, I'll show you. All I had to do is file this piece here down flat, and that gave plenty of clearance on the chassis there. It comes close, but you still got plenty of clearance. The only other issue is with the links I have here. I don't think these are factory links. I think they're homemade links. I bought these offline. The panhand link would hit the top of the front end here when you compress it on this side here. So what I done, add a spacer and move the link to the outside. That'll give me full compression without touching. So yeah, that's pretty well done. Other than that, I have run it inside the house. I ain't had it outside yet. see how it'll act on the rocks. But yeah, I still got to add the hot racing overdrives to gears to the front. Oh, and which that's them there. They're 27 tooth, 8 tooth gears, and I also got to put my tires on. I got the VXT Vanquish tires. I definitely want to try these out on here. I'm gonna put these tires on the XD series wheel, Vanquish wheels, and I also have a Vanquish slipper lockout here, an eliminator. Not a Vanquish, it is a Vanquish, but incision slipper eliminator. I want to add to it. I want to get them done and get the tires on it, and then we'll get it outside and get a trial run on it. The body, I mounted my RC 4-wheel drive jack to the front through the existing body mount holes, and mounted. Give me a place to mount my interior to it, and it just rests on the inside. So yeah, enjoy the video of what little I do have of putting this thing together. And I want to thank y'all for watching MSR RC. Hit that subscribe button if you're new to the channel. Hit the bell button so you get the next release video. Give me a thumb up. Until next time.